quick because I want to show you everything that you can get for only $99. I know you guys are going to have that income tax check coming in soon, and I want you guys to invest in yourself a little bit. You deserve it. You have so much that you've got going on in life, so why not put a little bit back into yourself, right? First thing you're going to do is you're going to get this awesome, beautiful makeup bag. I love this bag, but let me show you everything that's inside this bag, okay? You will get our 3D, can you see it? 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. This stuff is incredible. You're gonna get our eye primer. You're gonna get eye primer, which is awesome to put on your lids before you put on any of your eyeshadow. That way it stays longer. You're gonna get our Quad Palette, which is got these beautiful colors. Can you see them? Hopefully you can see them. They are so pretty on, so pretty on. But you're gonna get that. Okay, this is all for just $99. You are gonna get a liner, a black eyeliner. It's incredible. The staying power is amazing on this, okay? Let's see here, there's so much in here. You're gonna get our lash serum, which, I mean, the appearance of your lashes are just, mine have just like, they look so much better now that I've been using the lash serum. So you're gonna get the lash serum that goes on every night. Let's see here. You are going to get our Splurge Cream Shadow in that beautiful color. Isn't that so pretty? Such a beautiful color. Looks good on everybody's eyes and it makes your eyes pop. You are also gonna get the famous, my favorite, Epic Mascara. Love this stuff. This has no fibers in it. This is like so amazing to use, so amazing. And then on top of that, still, this is only for $99. On top of that, are you guys ready? You're gonna get a lash comb and brush. Amazing. You're gonna get all of these tools. This is a crease brush, which is one of my favorites. You're gonna get, look at that. The sponge, can you see it? The sponge and brush. You're gonna get two for one on that brush. You're gonna get a liner shader brush here. There's a fluffy little end here, and then this is perfect for drawing lines for eyeliner, things like that. You're also gonna get a blending brush, which this is one of my very favorite brushes. I love the blending brush, so awesome. You are also gonna get a cream shadow brush. Look at all these brushes, guys. And you're also gonna get the deluxe brush. And you're also gonna get our tweezers, which are so beautiful. I love pink tweezers, they're so cute. And you're gonna get a pencil sharpener, which this is amazing. All of this stuff, guys, all of this stuff for only $99. So if you're interested, let me know. Oh, there's one more thing. In the month of February, and this is only good through the month of February because we're gonna end up getting a different kit next month, but you will also get $22 in product credit that you can buy anything that you want. So $99 for over $340 in product, plus you get an extra $22 on anything that you want. It's amazing. Message me, I will totally hook you up. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.